If you're in the mood for a delicious steakhouse dinner, this convection meal of slow roasted top sirloin with a gratin of potatoes and broiled asparagus is an easy option. Convection is of course ideal for roasting lean cuts of meat such as sirloin, as there's so little moisture loss when roasting in convection. The key is to keep the temperature low and only give the roast a short blast of high heat to bring out the flavor and give it some color. Seasoning the meat a day in advance with some kosher salt is also essential to bring out more flavor. Because the roast is cooked at such a low temperature, it can be challenging to cook side dishes in the oven at the same time. So I chose side dishes that can be cooked quickly in the broil mode while the meat is resting. Since the top sirloin is fairly lean, I'm making the popular steakhouse au gratin potatoes. These are first simmered on the cooktop, then topped with the cheese and finished with a quick broil, together with some broiled asparagus. This meal takes meat and potatoes to a whole other level. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.